a chilly evening, warm naan, and a flavorful chicken shorba. That's what real comfort food is all about. Today, I'll show you a simple yet absolutely delicious recipe that your family will love. Let's get started. First, take a pot and add 3 large finely chopped onions. Now, add oil and fry the onions until they turn light golden brown. This step is very important because the right color of onions enhances the taste of the shorba. Once the onions change color, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well. Cook it until the raw smell disappears because that's what brings out the real flavor. Now, add 4 tomatoes. Since I had frozen tomatoes, I blended them before adding. You can also use fresh ones. Along with this, add all the spices: 1 tablespoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and whole garam masala. Mix everything well and cook until the oil separates. Once the masala is perfectly cooked, add 1 kilogram of chicken and fry it well. Here's a little trick: keep adding small amounts of water while stirring to prevent the masala from burning and to ensure even cooking. This delicious chicken shorba, would you prefer to enjoy it with warm, fluffy naan or soft, fresh roti? Let us know in the comments and let's see which team wins. When the chicken is well cooked and the oil separates, add water as needed. Also, add 1 teaspoon of dried coriander. Now, cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes so the chicken becomes tender and the shorba develops its rich flavor. After 20 to 25 minutes, check your shorba, it's almost ready. Now, add some freshly chopped coriander and a pinch of roasted cumin powder for the final touch. Turn off the heat and there you have it, piping hot, delicious chicken shorba. Serve it with warm naan or roti and watch everyone enjoy this flavorful delight. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, comment below to share how you make shorba, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next recipe. Until then, stay happy and enjoy your food.